Introducing Missy's pole stitch, my pole stitch. This is not the quad stitch, it's not the quadruple stitch, it's not the quintuple stitch, but it is a nice tall stitch. And I'm not talking about the pineapple triangle that I've created. I'm talking about the actual stitch which I created that I call the pole stitch, P-O-L-E. It's super easy. If you would like to see a tutorial on this, please give me some feedback and let me know. I am doing tutorials. I've had some requests, but I would like to share this stitch if I get enough feedback. So just comment below, share this, and please. And again, if you're interested in learning this particular stitch, it'll be the first time you've seen it because I've never shared it. It is my pole stitch, P-O-L-E, and I think it actually uses less yarn than the quintuple, but at any rate, let me know what you think and I'll be happy to share it if I get enough feedback. Thank you.